So my name is Charlotte. I'm a Yin Hatha Vinyasa yoga teacher. I'm also a mother of a little boy and I did training for prenatal, for baby yoga and kids yoga. I'm also working in the water, like for aqua massage and aqua relaxation. I love to mix the movement, the breath and the sound. So I'm also a sonotherapist. So I love to do sound healing and share it with people. And I'm in the yoga and spa industry since 10 years. I'm also a massage therapist.